Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to another edition of CRM training. Mitch, Gabby, and the team have put together some nice, simple little functions that are really going to help our call planning, and they're going to help Gary track certification of dealers. So let me walk through those for you real quick. What you're looking at now on the screen is obviously your call planning dashboard. I've got a series of calls that I've still got to make today. So I'm going to actually double click on this call here. It'll take me to the call record where you see I've filled in my notes already. I have my phone number. This is my first attempt out to Lisa. It's an outbound call and the sales audience type is already set. So I've got all of my details here and available. So let's say I had a great conversation with Lisa, and she is sending requirements for 6 properties on SmartEye. Okay. So this is the actual call that's due today that I am completing. Okay. I'm going to save that information into the system, make sure everything is accurate. And we've added a new button up top here called Complete and New. So if I click the Complete and New, what it's done is it's completed that older activity, the one I had for today. But I wanted to create myself an activity for Friday at 10 o'clock. Make sure she sent me all the details she needs to send me. Notice now it went from attempt 1 to attempt 2 automatically, and it maintained the phone number, the outbound fact that it's an outbound phone call, and that the fact that it and the sales audience definition for me. Make sure she sent the details of the 6 properties and where the break-ins are occurring. Okay, it's already still regarded to Lisa Pollock, and in this particular case, I want to make this a high priority opportunity, and I am going to save and close. So now what we've done is we've actually we've completed. Let's go back to my activities. Let's go back to our dashboard. Let's see, do I have completed activities for today? No, these are all open phone calls. So let's go to phone execution team view, and I'm probably not on this list. Completed phone calls for today. Yeah, I'm not on the list. You get the point. So it completed the one activity. It brought up a new screen with all the information in it, and I was able to just set the date, put in some notes, hit save, and move on. So that's really going to help. Now remember, that will not work in the quick form. So you're going to need to get used to opening up those activities in the big form, which is really going to be helpful for you. So that's one. Number 2, we now have, let's actually find one of Gary's here. Let's go, let's see, we have listed partner accounts, referral partner. Let's see what that shows up as. No, we'll go to all accounts, active accounts, and let's just pull up accounts that Gary owns, and filter by Gary Carland, and apply. So we've got all of our partners here. Let's double click on a CIA dealer. Okay. Now what you'll notice in the relationship type, if I had that as a prospect, okay, that would be a normal account field. But the minute I change it to CIA dealer reseller, it's now adding a field that says CIA certified. We're going to say yes. So we're going to be able to quickly go in and show you all the ones that have actually been certified or authorized, trained, in other words. And we're going to also add a field for partner margin, but we'll do that a little bit later. So this is all dependent on the fact that it's a CIA dealer reseller, and that field will not show up unless it's a CIA dealer reseller. And then we hit save, and we can generate a list of all CIA resellers that are certified. Okay, so we'll ignore that and save. So yeah, just a few new functions that we've added to the system. Thank you so much, Mitch, Gabby, great work. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.